Yo, what's going on, YouTube? My name is Mr. Skip. My YouTube channel is The Creative Arts of Mr. Skip. Um, man, I've had my channel for years. Like, I've had my channel for about a good 15 years, something like that. And just kind of off and on with it throughout the years. And, before they had talked about, our channels pretty much were getting monetized when YouTube first started, from what I believe, because I do know that I was making a little something, and then they came with this new rule in like 2018 where you needed X amount of hours and um, X amount of subscribers, and I was like, oh man. And so I just kind of like put it to the wayside. I wasn't even thinking about it anymore. Just kind of releasing, um, putting things out on my channel as the years went by. I may have been posting something like, 3 or 4 times a year, if that. Just trying new stuff or whatever. But um, I don't know. It was kind of like the top of last year. Well, when I did this music video with this rap artist, Ed OG, and the video did like 50,000 streams, and from there I started getting like subscribers, and I started seeing the watch hours, the time, become more, and I was like, huh, maybe I could do this, whatever. So, and then the top of last year I started, maybe like February, I was like making remixes, and um remixing like Brand Nubian or something like that. And, because I produce music. So for me to take these vocals and make my own beat to them and put them on YouTube, I thought that was cool. And then it kind of hit me. It was like, why don't I just make instrumentals of songs that's already out? Like, just take the vocals off and post that. And I started doing that. I think, I did an SWV remix for Week, and I just added like some drums to it. Took out the actual percussion that was in the original, the drums, and just gave it more of a heavy drum sound to it. And I think that started getting a lot of views, and from there I was getting started getting a lot of subscribers, started getting more watch time, and I started doing like I think H Town remix I did for Knocking the Boots, and then it just kind of hit me. It's like, why not do video? I mean, like, put songs up of instrumentals of songs that a lot of people know and that I like. Because if I like it, I know others out there, a community of other people who like this music, they will like it too. Because we never really heard, the instrumentals to, I don't know, Footsteps in the Dark or something like that. And I thought that that would give it a whole new vibe of the songs that we grew up to love. And when I did that, I started gaining a community of people who were interested in the same thing. And from there, my subscriber count started going up. My watch hours started going up. But the main thing is I was consistent. I was posting every 4 days. So I would schedule my videos to post every 4 days, no matter what, since February of 2024. Consistently. I never missed the fourth day. And so I believe that when you post something that you have a true liking to, then it doesn't. Of course, it doesn't become work, and you can pretty much it's kind of like I'm being a DJ in a way. It's like, what's the next instrumental gonna be, you know? And so I think as time went on, I just started gaining more people watching my YouTube channel, and songs that I had posted back in last April, those were getting views, and it just like became a snowball effect. And my subscribers went up, and so when I reached the 1,000 subscriber part, that's 1,000 subscriber mark. I was like, oh snap! So now I'm like, I'm with me, I'm about setting out to achieve certain goals, right? And so it's like if I'm not setting myself out to achieve some type of goal, then it's like, what am I doing? So I think for me with this, I just kind of locked in and said, excuse me, kind of locked in and said, you know what? I'm going to actually get this. I'm going to become monetized again on YouTube and be able to, talk to people, because I have a podcast as well, Lounging with Skip. You can find that on all the platforms or whatnot. But I just figured it would be cool for me to talk about, you know, now that I have this, now I'm able to get on here and talk to people, get back to doing my interviews. I stopped really doing the interviews in 2021, late 2021. One of the artists, so my YouTube channel is The Creative Arts of Mr. Skip, which is pretty much me. I'm also a barber slash hairstylist for TV and film. So, I want to be able to talk about, behind the scenes in TV and film in Hollywood, and also talk about the music. I have tons of stories, and so my podcast is about, I interview different people in the entertainment industry and their story, their journey, and what got them to where they are. And so, yeah, so Lounging with Skip. So I'm gonna start those back up. But man, it's a good feeling, man, just to finally become monetized on YouTube, to get that Google AdSense mail with the PIN number in there, to just for them to know that it really is you. It was just like, man, this really is real. I was always watching the videos on YouTube on, you know, people talking about their moment when they became monetized on YouTube, and now here I am talking about my moment, when I became monetized on YouTube. So it's kind of it's like my own personal Christmas present or something. I don't know, but I just want to say I thank everybody who viewed my channel, who subscribed, um, who took the time to just listen to the songs that I produce, to vibe with the music, the instrumental songs that I post, and hopefully they take those songs and they go do karaoke, and or just vibe out in the car or at the crib, while you're cleaning or whatever the case may be, and you just vibe into the music. Sometimes we get so wrapped up in the words of the song that we don't trip off the actual music of the song. So I think having instrumentals are dope to have. And just like out of everybody in the world, somebody will appreciate and enjoy something that you do as well, which is becoming part of your community. And so I just want to thank everybody for becoming a part of the Creative Arts of Mr. Skip community. And I want to, embark on more things, and like I said, get back to having conversations with different people about their journey. Get on here and talk about music. Get on here and talk about behind the scenes in TV and film and Hollywood, things of that nature. And just whatever comes to mind. Life is lifing right now for a lot of people. So I just want to have that outlet to be able to talk about what's going on in my life, as well as talking with others about what's going on in theirs, and it becomes a discussion that we all can have. So I just want to thank you all for tuning in and stay in tune. Um, and thank you for tuning in to my channel. So yeah, basically, so I see you all on the flip side, and you'll be hearing more from me. Once again, I go by Mr. Skip, the creative arts of Mr. Skip, and yeah, for those that are very interested, that are wanting to get monetized on YouTube, I would just say find something that you have a true passion for, that you enjoy doing, and stay consistent in posting. Stay consistent with posting whatever it is that you whatever it is that you enjoy doing. You never want to make something that comes off as work feel like work. You know what I'm saying? What they said if you enjoy what you do for a living, you never have to work a day in your life. So I've been blessed to be able to, produce music and work in TV and film, and I enjoy both of those. And and me, getting on YouTube and talking to people and playing music and providing that outlet for those out there that are looking for it. So I just want to say thank you, and I'll see you all on the flip side. Peace.